Guys, welcome back sa another luto na naman ang ating gagawin with our chef, Johnny Hobserna. So, can you introduce your recipe for today's video?
I'm gonna cook alugbati, ginisang alugbati by Chef Boy Janil.
This is my favorite, guys. Wala kasing Chinese tangkong or Bisayang kangkong or tangkong like that. So, yung gagawin na lang niya, yung alagbati na lang yung gagawin niyang ginisa with baboy na yan. Nasa ilalim.
It's baboy.
Yeah.
It's baboy. It's manok.
And this is my mother cooking kanon. Yeah.
Cooking kanon with spoon. With spoon.
Cooking kanon with love.
Kanon siya.
So, we'll leave it at rest in 1 hour. Let it cook for 1 hour.
Okay. Ito lang yung pangmalakasan na pampalasa at asin.
We will add magic
Syrup.
Nor cubes.
Nor cubes.
Nor cubes.
Chicken?
Sinigang.
Sinigang. Uy! What are you thinking?
Thinking of me, thinking of you.
Okay. Charot. So, ayan, guys. Wala kasing tangkong. Yung nabili lang namin doon sa Carbon Market, doon sa Cebu City, is yung alagbati lang.
Alugbate.
Alugbate.
Alugwapa. Alugwapo.
Haha. It's so funny. So, hintayin lang natin yan, guys. Alugbating ginasa with
Lechong leeg manok.
lechong
manok
leeg. Huh? Huwag mo kong lituhin, sir. Lechong leeg
Lechong leeg manok.
na binili ni Johnny Hobserna, our chef for today. Another pagkain na naman ang ating lulutuin at nagbago ang ating kulay sa wallpaper. Wala ka bang sasabihin, sir? Would you like to discuss the ingredients and your specialty?
Ingredient is so basic. All you need is ahos, bombay, diced, and then
What is diced?
the sliced.
What is sliced?
This,
Okay.
Slice.
Are you saying the lechong leg in slice?
Lechon leeg, I'll
Yes.
slice into many, so everybody can eat.
Yes.
And then add alugbati leaves.
Alugbati leaves, but I don't know what is the English of that. So I hope we should research.
The English of alugbati.
Yeah.
It's
I'm so clueless.
forgot. And then after
And
that,
then what?
we'll add first
We will add the soy sauce
sauce.
or the silver swan soy sauce.
Okay.
The main highlight of the alugbati.
For enrich color and
Yeah.
flavor. So,
Share ko lang, guys, yung alugbati, hindi talaga yan yung favorite ko, kundi yung Bisaya or Chinese tangkong na ganyan yung gagawin. Kaso nga, wala tayong tangkong, so yung alugbati, yung ginamit natin.
buwas ang tangkong sa kangkong chips.
Oo, naubusan, tas hindi kami nakabili kasi nga, nakalimutan namin at hindi kami naglilista pag bumibili ng mga gulay.
Simmer
So, yun.
for 2 minutes.
So, post lang natin, guys, upang ipakita ko sa inyo ang katapusan kung ano yung itsura ng pagkain.
Kung anong isura.
So, ito yung specialty ni Janelle Hobserna, our chef for today's video, ang paminta. Mahilig kasi sa paminta yung jowa ko, kaya ayan, linagyan ng paminta, tas pangpalasa. So, ihaon na to, at ipakita ko sa inyo later ang final look. So, ayan guys, ihaon na ni Chef Janelle Hobserna. Ang isang plato lang na ginisang alugbati with
lechon leeg
lechon leeg
ng manok.
ng manok. So, I hope you enjoy watching, guys. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and follow me. You can also suggest contents that I can do na kaya kong gawin with my beloved Journal Hopes Serna. Thank you for watching!